Adjacent to the brass, a separate bowl feature.
Easy! Easy! Hold it there! Set it down! Everything looks good here. The suds are flowing properly. Agreed. Let's check the next batch.
Post-annealing, the cups are submerged in a chemical pickling bath to remove oxidation. The liquid is a translucent blue-green.
The brass cups are fed into a draw press, where a carbide punch pushes them through a die, to lengthen them into a crude tube shape.
The elongated brass tubes are spun rapidly up from our bag.
The lead is squeezed into a die, and excess material is bled off through a tiny hole, ensuring the resulting cores are uniform and heavy.
The copper cups are drawn out into a cup shape deep enough to hold the lead core, and the copper is thin and shiny. Coolant floods the tooling.
The finished bullets are pushed through a final sizing ring to ensure they are exactly 0.355 inches in diameter.
The finished bullets are tumbled in corncob media to remove drawing lubricants and polish the copper to a mirror shine.
The tiny anvils are pressed into the wet primer cups, and paper foil is placed over the mixture, and the assembled primers move.
The finished primers, now sensitive explosives, are packed into protective sleeves and placed into the heavy-walled blast-proof cabinet.
Adjacent to the brass, a separate bowl feeder circulates the copper-jacketed bullets.
The finished rounds pass through a 360-degree laser scanner. Screens display a 3D wireframe of each.
The inspected rounds are given a final quick tumble in clean media, or wiped by automated cloth rollers to remove machine.
Move that pallet to row 4. Setting it down now. Bring the next one in.